In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master the law of assumption to receive everything you desire, and how you can use this law of assumption to shift your life completely. Now, before we can get into how to master the law of assumption correctly, you must first understand how this law works. The law of assumption states that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. So in essence, what we assume to be true about ourselves and the world around us will ultimately become our truth. Picture your mind as a garden. Whatever seeds you plant, whether positive or negative thoughts and beliefs, will eventually grow into your reality. So if you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough or that you'll never achieve your dreams, those thoughts will manifest into your reality. And likewise, if you plant seeds of positivity and confidence, they will grow and become your truth. The roots of the law of assumption trace back to the teachings of Neville Goddard, a profoundly influential voice in mid-20th century about metaphysical thought. And unlike the mainstream law of attraction, Goddard proposed that our reality is not attracted, but assumed. Our assumptions about ourselves and our reality shape our experiences. So the law of assumption emphasizes embodying your desires as if they're already realized, challenging the notion that we need to send out pleas to the external universe. Now, the law of assumption isn't just a philosophical concept. It has ties to neuroscience and psychology, particularly in the functioning of our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is like a fertile garden that processes and stores information, accepting the seeds of our assumptions and beliefs and nurturing them into our reality. So how the law of assumption works is this law operates on the principle that the universe is an ever-expanding field of energy. Every thought, assumption, or belief resonates at a unique vibrational frequency, and like attracts like. So the energy we emit, positive or negative, is linked to the experiences that we attract. Our assumptions, deeply ingrained beliefs, serve as the steering wheel of our life's vehicle, guiding us toward the path that we subconsciously believe we deserve. So by acknowledging and understanding the influence of your assumptions, you can gain the opportunity to expand your horizons and challenge your limitations. Embracing a mindset of growth and curiosity allows you to cultivate resilience and adaptability in navigating life's challenges. So reflect on your assumptions. Are they serving you well or holding you back? Let me know in the comments. Now, with self-awareness, we can harness the power of assumptions to shape a reality aligned with our true potential, letting them be the compass that guides us to a life of fulfillment and purpose. Now, to effectively apply this law, it goes beyond thinking positive or visualization. It requires fully immersing yourself in the belief that your desires have already been fulfilled. This entails waking up to a reality where ambitions have already materialized. By assuming this fulfilled state, a shift in focus occurs from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility. The law of assumption transcends the law of attraction, as it involves stepping into a universe where your desires have already materialized. Understanding this concept aligns with the way that your brain forms patterns and makes sense of the world. Cognitive biases like confirmation bias play a role in reinforcing your assumed reality. So delve into the subconscious mind, reveal its profound role in shaping your reality. The subconscious accepts assumptions as truth without questioning their validity. So by consciously selecting and embodying assumptions, we become the scriptwriters of our destiny. Feeling the wish fulfilled is a crucial aspect of Neville Goddard's teachings. This involves immersing yourself in the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desires even before they materialize. So emotions amplify the power of assumptions, serving as a tool for conscious creation. Vibrational frequency is a fundamental principle in the process of manifestation. Our thoughts and emotions operate on specific frequencies. So aligning with your innermost desires by consciously choosing your emotional mental states with the vibrational frequency of your desire, you become like a human antenna, broadcasting your intention to the universe, and the ripple effect illustrates how your thoughts and beliefs create far-reaching impacts. Positive beliefs set off ripples that influence thoughts, feelings, and actions, shaping your reality. Now, creating positive ripples are involving things like visualizing, affirming, and aligning your emotions with assumption. To amplify your assumption, it's a multifaceted approach. So visualization, affirmations, emotional alignment contribute to strengthening those beliefs, and patience is crucial. As some ripples may take time to manifest, avoiding pitfalls may be involving not becoming overly attached to the outcome, but taking actionable steps and maintaining a balance between dreaming and doing. The law of assumption is an actionable principle. It empowers you to assume your desired reality actively, shaping your destiny in the process. But it encourages also a journey of realizing one's true potential, paving the way for profound transformation. So how do you master the law of assumption? The first way is to gain clarity of your desire. Visualize your desires with absolute clarity. Create a vivid mental image and use tools like writing or vision boards to solidify your vision. Align your emotions with your desire. Immerse yourself emotionally in the belief that your desires are already fulfilled. Techniques like meditation, visualization, and affirmations can help with connecting you to your desired reality on a deep emotional level. The second way is to live as if. Act, talk, walk, move, and make decisions as if you've already achieved your desire. Embody the characteristics and behaviors of the person who has realized their goals, and by doing so, you release doubts and fears, and you acknowledge and overcome limiting beliefs. Utilize journaling, positive affirmations, and cognitive reframing to navigate negative assumptions and pave the way for personal growth. And the third one is to show gratitude. Cultivate deep gratitude for what you already have. Appreciate the abundance currently in your life, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates the manifestation process. Make these daily practices a part of your daily routine. Repetition reinforces new assumptions deep within your subconscious mind, manifesting your commitment to your desires much quicker. Now, here are some common mistakes and misunderstandings about the law of assumption. You must detach from specific outcomes. Avoid being too attached to a particular outcome or timeline. Embrace uncertainty and trust that everything unfolds in divine timing. Release the need for control. Open yourself up to infinite possibilities and combine assumption with action. Assuming without taking actionable steps will not manifest your dreams. Action is the catalyst for manifestation, and it's the required ingredient to planting a seed and nurturing it for growth. So the law of assumption challenges conventional thinking and urges us to embrace the power of our assumptions. Instead of being confined by your current reality, you can shape a new one by assuming the feeling of your desired outcome. The key lesson of Earth, described as school, is mastering the manipulation of energy, understanding that everything is energy. Creating physical things is the simplest aspect. Once you comprehend the underlying rules, the essence lies in recognizing that your thoughts materialize into reality. Understand how manipulating energy is truly the pivotal lesson that you learn here on Earth. Visualization plays a crucial role in this process, and the lesson is to see and feel in your mind's eye your desired outcome in vivid detail. The universe responds when you articulate your desires. So if you don't specify, you might not receive what you truly want. The crucial step is to ask clearly, knowing exactly what you want. The power of belief and visualization in shaping your reality cannot be overstated. So to reinforce this understanding, I urge you to consider your desires. What is it that you truly want in your life? Be specific and detailed. Visualization should include sensory details like seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. The more detailed your mental picture, the clearer the order you are placing with the universe. The universe's job is to fulfill your desires once you've asked. And the most effective approach is to release your order, believing and knowing that it will be fulfilled. Remember, what you assume to be true must become your reality. So choose your assumptions wisely. This law invites you to step into the driver's seat of your life, recognizing the profound impact that your thoughts and your beliefs have on your reality. And by mastering this law, you become a conscious creator, shaping and designing your reality with your deepest desires. So assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, live in the end result, and watch as the universe conspires to make your assumptions a tangible reality. Life is a canvas. Assume the role of the artist and paint the masterpiece that is your existence. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. Hi, I'm Audrey Turgerman, and welcome back to my channel, where we talk about everything from mindset, neuroscience, quantum physics, laws of the universe, and much more. And if you're ready to take your life to the next level, check out the link in the description to book a free call with me for my mindset transformation coaching program. My clients have achieved amazing results, and I can't wait for you to be next. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and you're definitely going to want to check out this video next. I'll see you soon.